Hello. Welcome to today's English lesson. I'm so happy you decided to listen today. Are you learning English? Do you feel nervous shopping at the supermarket sometimes? Today we will learn easy phrases for shopping. These words will help you feel confident. Shopping can be scary when English is not your first language. But it doesn't have to be. I will teach you simple phrases today. You can practice these at home first. By the end of this lesson, you will feel ready. Let's start learning together now. Sometimes you cannot find what you need. It's okay to ask for help from workers. Say, "Excuse me, where is the bread?" Or, "Can you help me find milk?" Workers are usually happy to help you. They will show you where things are located. You can also say, "Where is the fruit section?" Or, "Do you have organic vegetables?" Practice these questions at home first. Then you will feel more confident at the store. Sometimes you want to know more about food. You can ask simple questions about products. Say, "Is this fish fresh?" Or, "When does this milk go bad?" These are good questions. You can ask, "How much does this cost?" Or, "Is this on sale today?" For prices. For help choosing, say, "Which apples are the sweetest?" Or, "What bread do you recommend?" Don't be shy about asking questions. Store workers want to help you choose well. The deli counter can feel scary, but the workers there are very helpful and patient. Say, "Can I have half a pound of ham?" Or, "I would like some cheese, please." If you want to try something first, say, "Can I taste this cheese?" Most places allow this. You can ask, "What meat is popular?" Or, "Which cheese is mild?" For good suggestions, take your time. Point at what you want if the words feel too hard. At checkout, cashiers often ask the same questions. Here are the most common ones. They might ask, "Did you find everything okay?" Just say, "Yes, thank you," or "No, but that's okay." They will ask, "Paper or plastic?" For bags, choose the bag type you want today. For payment, they say, "Cash or card?" Tell them how you want to pay right now. Be ready with "Thank you and have a good day" when you finish shopping. Sometimes there are problems at the store. Don't worry, these phrases will help you. If prices are wrong, say, "I think this price is wrong," or "This should be cheaper." For broken items, say, "This is broken," or "Can I get a different one, please?" If you can't find your list, say, "I lost my shopping list. Can you help me?" For long lines, just wait patiently. You can say, "Excuse me," if you need to pass. Good manners make shopping easier. People will want to help you more when you're polite. Always say "please" when asking for something. Say "thank you" when someone helps you out. Say "excuse me" when you need to pass by someone in the narrow store aisles. If you bump into someone, say "sorry" right away. Smile when you talk to people. Being friendly makes shopping more fun. People will remember you in a good way. Before you go shopping, practice these phrases at home. Say them out loud many times. Make a shopping list in English. Write down the foods you need to buy today. Practice asking questions in the mirror. This will help you feel more confident and ready. Start with small trips first. Buy just a few things until you feel more comfortable. Remember, everyone makes mistakes when learning. The important thing is to keep trying and practicing. You now have many useful phrases for supermarket shopping. Practice them before your next trip. Don't worry about perfect English. People will understand you even with small mistakes you make. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Soon shopping will feel natural and fun. You are brave for learning English. Keep practicing and you will get better every day. Thank you for listening today. Good luck with your next shopping trip. You can do this.